In the heart of your industrial operations, every second counts. When critical equipment needs maintenance, you can't afford to wait. That's where we step in. Right here in the nation, situated strategically in Dammam and Jubail, our world-class workshops are transforming the future of industrial maintenance. As state-of-the-art service centers, the Dammam and Jubail facilities undertake everything from repairing and upgrading valves, pumps, and compressors to extending the life of your oil and gas equipment and other rotating equipment. As leaders in maintenance, they don't just fix equipment. They breathe new life and reliability into your assets using advanced techniques and equipment like the spray fuse process supported by wall Kalomany powder technology, drills and similar components, rotating equipment like pumps, compressors, and gearboxes. Rest assured, our workshops can handle it all. We've also partnered with the world's leading manufacturers, bringing global expertise to your doorstep. No more waiting for overseas shipping, no more extended production losses. With Kanoo Energy, your equipment stays where it belongs, in the nation, in operation, and driving your success. We're not just serving industry, we're strengthening our nation's industrial backbone. When minutes matter and quality can't be compromised, choose the partner that delivers both.